Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of US oil. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, this is the chart of US oil, one hour chart in front of us. And we can see that after this deep retracement, market has bounced back from the support zone. So if you look at the overall trend of the market here, we can see the market is sideways. And as we all know, in sideways market, the best strategy or the safest trading strategy is buy at support, sell at resistance. But here we can see the market has already tested the resistance many times and market doesn't like common things. So next time, if you see US oil around the zone of 78.50 to 79.30, please be careful if you're planning to take a sell position blindly. If you see that market is showing strong price rejection from above, then only hit the sell button, because there's a good chance that market will break the resistance, or market will at least try to trap sellers. Okay, so let's look at the market sentiment. We can see here oil holds recent gains. WTI crude futures held above $77 per barrel on Tuesday after jumping more than 1% in the previous session, underpinned by ongoing shipping disruptions that raise supply worries. And right now, okay, we can see the market is standing at 77.51 or around this area. So if this is a sideways market, technically, okay, it is a sideways market, and if buy at support, sell, it is the best trading strategy. The market is standing in the middle. So if you have any ongoing buy position, then you can be on the trade. Or if you're a swing trader or positional trader, then obviously you'll have to wait for the market to either come down to this level or market to reverse from this level, because the trading opportunities that are in front of us right now are specifically for day traders only. Not every chart is ideal for swing traders, positional traders, and not every chart is ideal for day traders as well. But right now, the trading opportunities that are in front of us are mostly ideal for day traders or scalpers. If I'm wrong, okay, if you have a different opinion, you can write down in the comment section. I would love to learn. Okay, so we have 78 level. Okay, you can see this was the high made by the market. So if market breaks 78 during the day, we can go for a buy position. If you see that market is going up, market has volume, but you can see here I have mentioned scalp. Why scalp? Because there is not much upside, because 78 is the previous high and market resistance starts from 78.50, and 78.50 is also a round number. So if you go for a buy above 78 level, try to exit around 78.50. Just go for a quick buy position, because once market will be entering the resistance zone, it will be very uncertain for us with the buy position. Okay, so you can go for a buy above 78 if you see the market is going up with good amount of volume. But on the other hand, if you see that instead of going up, market is coming down, okay, because no market goes up in a straight line. Okay, so if you see market coming down, you can look for buy around 77.16 and then 76.90. Let me write it down. 77.16 and then 76.90. These are the two levels where you can look for a buy position. If you see that US oil is going down but there is not much selling volume, small red candles, in that case you can look for a bounce as a day trader. And the reason is we are mostly using Fibonacci retracement here, because while considering Fibo, we can see market is respecting Fibo here. And right now we can clearly see market is standing at Fibo 23.6% retracement level. In comparison to this one, Fibo 38, Fibo 50 are better levels. So if you during the day, if you see market is going down but there is not much selling pressure, as a day trader you can hit the buy button if you see the market is showing price rejection from below. Again, I'm repeating, the reliable levels are buy at support, sell at resistance, but market is stuck in the middle. So if you love to trade on oil, these are the only trading opportunities that I see on the chart right now. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Keep in touch with the news, because news plays a very important role for oil market. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.